pirate's cave, eh? Well, you've come to the proper place. The tale you're about to be told is not for the faint of heart. During the dark days of pirates, there'll be one name that has been erased from history. His name was never to be spoke of again, and is only referred to as Calico Jack. In 1725, Calico vanquished numerous ships throughout the Caribbean, killing their crews, stealing their gold, and setting fire to their ships. His insatiable thirst for blood and gold was beyond measure. 'Tis fitting that his last victims, the poorest and most forgotten, would be his end. You see, one fateful day, Calico Jack came across a supply ship en route to a leper colony run by the Christian Church. The captain's ship overtook the defenseless vessel and attacked without mercy. When the smoke had cleared, the crew ransacked the ship, expecting spoils from their conquest. Instead, they found a single chest. The captain gazed inside, only to find a stack of Bibles and silver coins. He fell into a fit of rage and killed the remaining crew, who had only dedicated their lives to serving others. After seizing the new vessel, he then split up his crew between the two ships and sailed away under darkness. Now, it be said that God took notice that day. Even before the sun rose the next day, the crew's skin became darkened with boils and disease. It became clear that the Almighty was upon them. The two ships endured days of violent storms. Even the most salty of sailors were shaken in their boats. The next day, the storm ceased, but God's wrath continued. The newly acquired ship was attacked by a great sea creature and dragged down to Davy Jones' locker. In desperation and fear for their lives, the crew of the remaining ship rose up in mutiny. They bound Calico Jack and locked him into the sign chest that was destined for the colony. But before they could rid themselves of their evil captain, suddenly sheer rock cliffs rose from the depths. Calico Jack's ship broke up on the rocks and was ravaged by fire. The entire crew of 185 souls were lost to the sea and fire, and never to be seen again. Legend has it that once the chest containing Calico Jack's remains is opened, it would release him and his undead crew to haunt the living. Some mortals believe that deep in those sea cliffs lie the untold wealth of Calico Jack, and men still search for traces of his vast treasure today.
Hey Joe, come look at this. What is it?
The